Today I'm going to be opening these Smart Links robots. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the instructions. So first it says we need this, and we'll need this little piece here. Let's see. Okay. This. To the long things out. And right here. Now we're on step 2. And we'll need the legs. So we'll put them on right here. This is kind of hard to put on, actually. There we go. Oh. There we go. Got the top part done. Now we're gonna need these 2 purple parts. And we're on step 3. These 2 purple parts and this pink clip. So we're gonna have to click it on right there. I think it's right here, like this. Fun. And this, I don't know. Okay, I'll put on the purple parts first. I need to scoot this down here. There we go. Okay, and I forgot to tell you, we're building the black 06 one. Oh, the leg came off. It's really hard. There you go. Got it on all the way. Now somehow we need to figure out how to put this part on. I think it's right here. That's not it. Yeah, I think, yeah. Actually, wait. No, I think it's like right here. Like right here. Wait, nope. Oh. Right around there. And you put this piece on. Here it clicks. There we go. So, now step 4, we're gonna have to add in. I think there's actually one piece left, I think. Okay, we have officially, I think, lost a piece. It's annoying. So we put this here. Where did that actually go? So annoying. I think I'm supposed to put this, yeah, right there. No. Right. Here, there we go. Looks actually kind of good right there. Some wings. Let me put this on. With this, I don't know. Yeah, like that. So we have officially lost the other wing. Oh my goodness, I heard a drop sound. Oh yay, we found it. Dropped from my chair. Okay. I don't think I put the wings on right though. Because it's supposed to look like this. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird like that. Oh, never mind. Right there. Like that. Okay, we finished. Bye.